Hello everyone, this is Mac. Welcome to NCR India free video tutorial channel on YouTube. Here in this tutorial, I'm gonna animate all of these objects we have created so far in the solar system. And for animating these objects, we should basically know about their motion in the solar system. Obviously, we all are aware of the fact that every planet has to orbit around the sun in the solar system, and even they are also rotating around their own axis, which is called the axial motion of every planet. Now, so our animation process will be completing in two steps. In the first step, we'll have to make each and every object to uh, rotate around its own axis, and after that we have to make every planet we have to make these planets collectively to orbit around the sun. Right now, so let's continue with the first step and choose any of these one of these objects. I'm going to choose the Saturn, and after selecting the Saturn, you have to press F to focus on it so that you can visualize it clearly. Okay, now press F2 to switch to the main animation menu set. Now what are these menu sets? Basically, your menu bar has different kinds of menu sets for animations, polygons, surfaces, and rendering, dynamics, and dynamics, and even you can customize your own main menu set as per your needs. So it will be the actions in the main menu will be, your functions in the main menu will be changed accordingly. Right, so for choosing the animation, you have to press F2 like that. Okay, now we are in the animation menu bar, and we can easily animate our object with the help of these functions. Now before animating, we should know about the two basic things in the animation. The first one is called the time slider, and the another one is called the range slider. Time slider basically counts for every frame of your animation at different points at different times. Okay, so this is your range slider, which set the length of your animation from 1 to 300. So keep your start point of the range slider as 1 and end point as 240 for this project. Okay, this is called your current frame, the current time, and it has to be 1. Okay, now you have to go to the window and choose the setting and preferences, and open the preferences window, and here you have to go to the undo and check if your undo is on or not. It has to be on, and always keep it on, and Q will be infinite. Okay, now go to settings. Now here, remember that your y-axis has to be the up axis. Up axis means the axis which is coming from the top of your every object. Okay, coming out from the top of your every object. Now set your time as the 30 FPS, which actually counts for the speed of your animation. Now save it down. Okay, now after that, go to the animate, go to set key, and click on the checkbox to open the set key options. Now here, remember that you have to keep the all keyable attributes for the set keys on, and channels has to be from the channel box. It actually means that it enables you to animate your object for a particular attribute that you want to vary. Okay, set key. Now after that, select your object and press E to have the rotate the rotate tool manipulators, which will allow you to rotate your planet around whichever the axis you want, because we want to rotate every planet around its axis, and which is the up axis in here, and the up axis is the y axis. Right, so we have to rotate our planet around this axis like that. For before rotating that, you have to go to the channel box and select this rotate Y attribute. Now go back to the animate and press set key, which will actually set the keyframe at the point at the time 0. It will set the keyframe at the point at the time 1, and which will actually give the initial position to your object, right, with a 0 rotation. Now all you need to do is that you have to rotate this planet around the up axis. Okay, so with the help of this manipulator, select this green arc and rotate your planet clockwise as much as you can. It's done. Now leave it. Oh, you have to keep your scrub bar at the end point before rotating the planet. I didn't keep it at here. First, you have to keep your scrub bar at the point 0 here, and then you have to go to the animate and set key for it, and after that you have to change the position of the scrub bar to the end of this animation, the end point of this animation, which is 240, and now you have to rotate your planet around the up axis. Okay, so do it again. It's done. Now go to animate and again press set key to set this last frame, which will give the last position to your planet. Okay, now press play. Here you can see that your planet is revolving around its axis. After that, in the same way, we'll be making every planet to revolve around its axis, and in the second step we'll be making every planet to orbit around the sun. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and please do make your comments after my videos, because we have to know that how's everything going. And thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.